Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a medium question in the database category that I just solved on my own. So I'm super happy about this and I'm very glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance. So let's go over it and let me show you how I did it. This is 3497, analyze subscription conversion. Basically, you want to make sure you want to find users that have both free trials and paid, and then their trial averages and their paid averages. Be wary that the rounding in this question is the decimal rounding is to 2 decimal places, and it can be quite a pain in the ass, and you might have to try to work around it in multiple ways, which I was able to do by tinkering with some things. So that was a pain in the ass, but otherwise it was not too bad. So anyways, so first we have to find all the users who have both activity types as paid and free trial. So let's go ahead and do that. So for IU, it enumerates user activity, user ID. Let's use that. So let's call this UID. UID, we're going to add the activity type. Okay, so now let's go this and let's call this. So this is a set, right? So if free trial in now and paid in now, then we can go ahead and print K and calculate the averages. Okay, so for 1, 3, and 4, and then to calculate the averages for each type, for each user ID, let's just call this free trial and paid. Get all the activity durations and then just find the averages. So let's just say if activity type, let's just call this user activity type of I. So if AT is equal to free trial, then we just do the user ID free trial dot append the activity duration of I, and then if it's equal to paid, we do the same thing with paid. Okay, so UID paid okay, so duration of I, and then now we can find the averages. So let's call this trial average, and then so trial average is just going to be sum of, so this number, well, the trial is just ft of k divided by length of ft of k, and then the paid average is just sum of pk divided by length of pk. Cool. So now we just have to print k, t average, and p average. What is going on here? Oh, so it's k along with free trial and then here same thing. Come on. Okay, cool. So now that's good. So we basically have our answer, but now is where the fucking pain starts, because you have to figure out how to round this shit, and if you try to round it to 2 decimal places, what will happen is you'll get some inaccuracies, but that's fine for now, except we actually have to do this weird thing and then do that. And one less. Okay, cool. So now we can just append And then we have to sort it by the user ID. A, B, C. Come on. Don't want to keep typing this shit. My hands hurt from typing this bullshit. But anyways, let's call this result as a data frame. User ID. Trial. Come on, Leetcode, we can do better than this. Just, we need to have some way to auto-populate the column names. Is equal to C, and then return the results. So, okay, so now we got a problem because now let's also do round to 2 decimal places. Nope, god damn it. Okay, so now this is where the pain starts. Oh god. Okay, so for the paid average, we run around both, so let's actually not do it like this. So how many test cases are we passing? We're passing 0. So the paid average duration, let's do this. So why is it still, Jesus Christ. Okay. I was playing around with it and got it to work. So, oh yeah, and then now let's just do 2 dot round 2. Okay, so accept. Okay, so submit it. Oh god. Okay, same thing here. Let's just see if the method actually works. I think that's how I did it. Okay, cool. So submit it. And there you go. Passes all test cases. So again, I'm pretty happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance and solve it completely on my own. Hopefully they can fix this round function and, you know, we will have to do this in the future. But other than that, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.